How to rearrange artboards in Illustrator. Select the Artboard tool. With that selected, go up here. Make certain this option is on. Move/copy artwork with artboard. Otherwise, these will be left in position. So simply click and then drag. Just drag around over to there. Click this one and drag here. And click there and drag that. And click this one and drag. So that's it, you've rearranged them. However, there's also a number of options here for Rearrange All. If you go to Object menu and Artboards, you've got the same, Rearrange All Artboards. You can also do it over here, got a little one here, Rearrange Artboards, and also right side menu, there's an option, Rearrange All Artboards. There's quite a few Rearrange All Artboards. So select that one, and you've got this set of options. Now if you want them all in a nice row, click this one. Just click here and you can space them by 20 points or maybe go for 10 points. Now unfortunately there's no preview. That would be brilliant. Also make certain this is on. Move artwork with artboard. Again, if you don't, the artboard path will be separated. And then click OK. And it's just done like that. And of course it zooms in as well. So let's just zoom out again. However, what you can do, if you want them in a row and columns and things, you can go here for a grid. So click there. Again, I'm going to go with 10 point. And you can go for this option. And then click there. And again, columns 2. Obviously, you can set that to 3 or 4. Depends how many artboards you've got. Again, select that. And then you can click OK and click there. And you can see the artboards are rearranged again, all with their individual paths. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know. Thank you much.